A lot of people wonder why everybody's going solar in South Carolina. There's a lot of different reasons why people want to go solar. The main reason is from an environmental perspective, most people think that it's a good thing. It then just has to line up with their finances and make sure that it's viable from a fiscal perspective. We're fortunate in South Carolina to have good policy with a state tax credit as well as a federal tax credit that helps pay for half of the solar system. And what this does is it can, if people are investing cash in a system, it can give paybacks in the 7 to 8 year range. And then also, if people want to finance the system, they can have a loan payment that costs about the same as their bill is now without having to put any money out of their pocket in order to get the system installed. In order for somebody to go solar, a few things have to come together. The roof needs to be in good condition. There can't be a lot of shade, and because you want the solar panels to produce as much as possible. And also you need to have an HOA that allows solar to be visible if that's the case. So when all of those come together, then people can go solar with no cost out of their pocket and can pay about the same bill and also save money on their electricity bill in some instances as well.